Hey there, fellow travelers! Welcome to Zondi Land, your ultimate travel guide for exploring the world one adventure at a time. I'm Dan, your travel buddy, and I'm so excited to take you on this journey with me. A Matnog Island tour in Sorsogon is a must-do for travelers looking to explore pristine white sand beaches, crystal clear waters, and stunning marine life. This island hopping adventure takes visitors to some of the most beautiful and untouched islands in the southernmost part of Luzon. Main destinations on the Matnog Island tour are the Subic Beach and the Huwag Lagoon Fish Sanctuary. Located in Matnog, Sorsogon, Huwag Lagoon Fish Sanctuary is a privately owned marine sanctuary dedicated to the conservation and protection of marine life. Nestled in a secluded emerald green lagoon, it serves as a safe haven for various fish species, giant clams, and other aquatic creatures.
Nandito na ako sa Matnog Tourism Office. Ito yung pinaka-port nila. Doon mag-register. Ito yung mga boat. Gusto nyo mag-overnight. So ito yung inayaran ko. Wedge is 100 and then nag-joiner ako. So 3,000 simple 20. Pwede makami to 600 ang bilang. So yung makakasama ko pagkabita din. Na tayo sa Huwag Lagoon. So ito yung first stop.
The lagoon's waters are so clear that visitors can see fish swimming beneath the surface. It is home to giant clams, groupers, and various tropical fish. Guests can feed the fish using food provided by the caretakers and even swim in the enclosure with marine life, though touching the fish is discouraged.
Kapag may mga front
Surrounded by lush greenery and limestone formations, the sanctuary offers a relaxing and nature-filled escape.
Ito yung mga isda din pala to. Anong tawag dito? Isdang ano yun?
Ano yun? Tamban.
Tamban tsaka
Pits.
feeds. Okay. So itong mga isdang to hinuhuli muna. Then nilalagay dito.
Parang tulala to. Si Stripe ko.
Ito, Minyo.
Ako, high blood ako. Dito tayo sa araw.
Hello. Uy. Teka lang. Laki ko.
Ito, maganda to. Kasi sa logo eh.
The sanctuary is meant for conservation and not commercial exploitation, so there is no fishing or taking of marine life.
Ayun, may puffer fish. First time sa dito? Ha? First time? Oh, first time. Ito nga yung gusto kong puntahan talaga. Dito yung registration lang. Ito yung mga fish. So dito pwede magkano yung registration? So for snorkeling?
200 po per head.
200.
Puro ka rin ako, Tagalaw.
Visitors are encouraged to be mindful of their impact on the environment to avoid disturbance to the ecosystem. Best time to visit would be morning to early afternoon for clearer waters and a better chance to see marine life. Dry season would be November to May for calmer waters and ideal snorkeling conditions.
Parang dolphin.
Why visit Wag Lagoon Fish Sanctuary? It is a unique ecotourism experience that promotes marine conservation, and it provides an opportunity to see and interact with rare and diverse sea creatures. It offers a peaceful, off-the-beaten-path destination perfect for nature lovers.
Next stop na kami, by Wag Lagoon. Ito yung cave, Kalintaan Cave. Yung cave daw na pwede pasukin, kaya lang high tide na yun. Ano meron sa loob? Lagoon. Look, so beautiful, so wide.
Subic Beach, located on Calintaan Island in Matnog, Sorsogon, is a breathtaking tropical getaway known for its pinkish white sand, crystal clear waters, and serene atmosphere. It is a top destination for island hopping tours in Matnog, offering visitors a peaceful and pristine beach experience. There are two main areas in the Subic Beach. We have Subic Laki, or Big Subic, the larger, more developed part of the beach with cottages and accommodations, and the Subic Liit, or Small Subic, a quieter, less crowded stretch of sand perfect for relaxation.
Ito may mga cottage. Ito may mga cottage din, may kubo. Ang haba pala dito, ang daming kapatid. Ito yung mga isla, titingnan namin.
Aljib!
Yung isla mo.
4.1. 4.1.
Anong isla yung ganito?
Nilagay ko sa presa. Ano yan? Danoy. Para sa atin sa Manila, maya-maya. Danoy.
Ito ano tong
Napot.
bread natin?
Ay, mga asari yan. Mga dalagang pugi dito, sir. Ano, linisan ko na, sir?
277. O sige, tapos papaluto doon. So ang mga paluto dito is 150. Separate pa doon yung bibigyan mo isda. So bumili ako ng 275 worth isda. 1 kilo yun. Pinaprito ko na lang. Grabe, sobrang ganda. Talagang maganda. Sobrang multi.
The sand has a soft pink hue due to crushed red corals mixing with the white sand. It has crystal clear turquoise waters ideal for swimming, snorkeling, and kayaking. Unlike crowded commercial beaches, Subic Beach offers a laid-back, tranquil vibe. The gentle waves and clear waters make it safe for all ages. You can stay overnight under the stars and experience the raw beauty of the island. And you can capture perfect stunning sunset and sunrise views.
Ito, dito sila nagluluto. Kasi pinaluto ko ito. Para... Ano nga to? Sinigang na dan...
Maya-maya, sabi sa Tagalog.
Bayang?
Pinito lang din pala eh. Hindi, hindi ako.
Yan, prito.
Best time to visit would be dry season from November to May, and it's advisable to have a morning departure for a full-day island hopping experience.
Dami pala dito mas maayos na cottage. Ito medyo maayos-ayos na mga cottage. Yung ibang cottage ginagawa pa na.
Subic Beach is one of the most beautiful untouched beaches in the Philippines, and it offers a peaceful off-the-grid escape with no overcrowding.
Ayun na kami. Balik na ulit.
Paguriran Island and Lagoon is a stunning rock island formation located off the coast of Bacon, Sorsogon. Known for its crystal clear turquoise waters, dramatic limestone formations, and shallow lagoon, it offers a picturesque and adventure-filled island experience.
Dito na tayo ngayon sa Paguriran Beach. Open from 5 AM to 9 PM. Entrance fee is just 10 pesos. Doon ako nag-park. Actually, nag-parking ako. Cottages for day tours. Baba natin. So, today is Monday. So, wala masyadong tao. Check natin. Oh. So, yun yung Paguriran Lagoon. So, punta tayo doon later. Walkable naman siya, malapit lang. So ngayon medyo low tide lang. Pero ang best time talaga is low tide. Kaya lang sinerge ko yung low tide today. It's 4 AM. So ngayon pa-high tide. Game, start na tayo. Punta na tayo sa Paguriran Lagoon.
At low tide, visitors can walk across the shallow waters from the mainland to Paguriran Island.
So mababaw lang naman. Mababaw lang dito. So mas maganda talaga pag low tide para makita mo yung formation ng lagoon. So ito yung level niya ngayon. Hanggang kita lang naman. Natin na tayo. Here. Daming mga bata din. And taran! Oh, this is the lagoon.
A hidden saltwater lagoon sits inside the rock formations, perfect for swimming. The island is surrounded by jagged limestone cliffs, creating a scenic and unique landscape.
Ito yung view nung pinanggalingan natin kanina. Short distance walk lang. Mabato lang dito pag maglalakad ka or mag-swim. So this is the hole. Ganda. Parang ilong. Ilong siya. So dito medyo malalim na part niya. So better na meron kayong shoes or slippers kapag nagtigo dito kasi medyo mabatong. Ayun, may another hole. Ang daming rock formations pala dito. Careful lang kayo guys kasi parang kanina meron yung na maliliit. Akala ko basura but para siyang dumidikit siya. And then parang nag-sting siya sa akin. Meron. So papalagyan ko na lang ng supa later. Yan yun. Make sure na covered ang mga balat ninyo. Yan yung dumikit sa damit ko. Nagsisting siya. Makate. So loob-loob lang tayo ng konti. So maganda din naman. Basta dito kayo sa area na to. So wala masyadong dumi. So mas okay din mag-rush guard kayo. So para mas safe.
You can also do island trekking by climbing the rock formations for panoramic views of the Pacific Ocean. The lagoon and surrounding waters are rich in marine life.
By Paguriran Lagoon.
And you can also relax on the nearby beach and enjoy a peaceful escape.
Hi doggy. Ayan, meron akong travel buddy ngayon.
Best time to visit would be low tide, so you can walk across the sandbar and explore the lagoon safely. Also, in dry season from November to May for the clearest waters and best weather. And why do you have to visit Paguriran Island and Lagoon? It is a hidden gem with stunning natural lagoon, accessible from the mainland, no boat required during low tide, and perfect for adventure seekers, nature lovers, and photographers. Lola Sayong Eco Surf Camp, located in Gubat, Sorsogon, is a community-driven surf camp and eco-resort that promotes sustainable tourism, surfing, and environmental conservation. It is a well-loved destination for surfers, backpackers, and nature lovers looking for a laid-back beach experience.
Hello, it's day 2. Magpunta mo tayo first stop sa Lola Sayong Eco Park. So ito yung entrance niya. Along highway lang din to. I park my motorbike here. Tingnan na natin. Ayan. Ito yung entrance pala. Dito mag-register. Magkano po yung entrance fee? 75. Ang ganda! or come here to surf. Ganda ng mga alon.
Gubat is known for its consistent, beginner-friendly waves, making it a great place to learn surfing. You can also stay in native huts, tents, or hammocks surrounded by coconut trees and a relaxing seaside atmosphere.
Mag-surf po tayo. Dami rin dito tao sa weekend. Kasi si Ran, siya yung mag-treat sa akin. So gagawin ko kayo, iwalay. Sabay kami mag-surf.
Visitors can interact with local surfers and support sustainable tourism initiatives that benefit the community. There's a chill, rustic atmosphere with a focus on ecotourism and sustainability, a friendly local surfing community eager to teach beginners, uncrowded scenic beaches perfect for relaxation, and affordable accommodations and food, making it a budget-friendly getaway.
Okay, done. Lakas ng agad.
Best time to visit would be surf season from October to March for the best waves, and it is an all-year destination. Even non-surfers can enjoy the beach and eco-friendly experience. Truly, Sorsogon has one of the best scenic beaches and marine biodiversity that are greatly preserved and protected to boost ecotourism of the province. This is Auntie Land, your favorite travel buddy. Thanks for watching!